The first method is germinating seed in a paper towel before planting in soil. For this, take out the seed from the pit. Carefully open the pit from the concave side, that is the side which is slightly curved inside. Take a box and lay down a kitchen towel or some layers of tissue paper in it. Place the seed on it and cover with the same paper. Spray water and cover the box. Enclose the box in a polythene bag. This works as a mini greenhouse. Place it at a dark and warm place above 21 degrees Celsius. Keep paper damp. The seed will germinate in 2 to 4 weeks depending on temperature. Now planting the germinated seed. Take a pot having drainage holes and fill it with the soil mixture. Mix some compost and sand in soil. The sand gives the soil good drainage, while compost makes it nutrition rich. Place the seed flat on soil and cover it with soil 1 inch high. Place the pot where it gets morning or evening sunlight for about 2 hours. Keep soil damp. The second method of growing mango tree is planting seed directly in soil. Preparing seed for planting. For this, just make a slight opening in the pit on the concave side as before, but you do not need to take out the seed out. Take soil mixture in a pot having drainage holes. Plant the seed flat on soil 1 inch deep. No need to plant the seed vertical. The roots and seedling will go to their usual way. Place the pot where it gets morning or evening sunlight for about 2 hours. Keep soil damp. The seed will germinate in 3 to 5 weeks depending on temperature. Keep the pot in full sun after it grows a few leaves. Number of seedlings. I may mention that if the mango seed is monoembryonic type, then it will produce one seedling. But a polyembryonic mango seed has many embryos, so it produces multiple seedlings which can be separated and planted as individual trees, all similar. Such polyembryonic seed-grown mango trees produce flowers and fruits in less than 5 years without grafting. This KP mango tree, 3 years old, is producing fruits. I have given a link in the description section that gives a list of such mango varieties that produce fruit quickly. Tips for success. Tip number 1. The seed should be fresh. Older seeds will take longer to germinate or may not germinate at all. Tip number 2. If the pit is fully dried, then soak it overnight. I always plant the seed within 1 week after taking out from the fruit. Why no germination? Sometimes the mango seed does not germinate. The seed will not germinate if it was very old and not stored properly, or it had no moisture because it was fully dry. The seed will also not germinate if the temperature is below 21 degrees Celsius. You can place the box or the pot indoors at a warm place or on a heat mat. Pruning. You may cut the stem at middle when it grows about 1 foot high. This will encourage new branches and the tree will grow bushy and will be of short height. Short height mango trees are easier to manage for disease control and also easy to harvest fruits from them.